Okay, so we're going to start off with our brows. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Ebony. So I'm going to start off by doing my bottom line of my brow, then creating the arch with the top line, then grabbing product as needed and just dispersing it throughout the brow. I'm putting more pressure on the back of my brow and all the product that is left over towards the front of the brow. Definitely play around with the shape of your brow and see what best fits you. Then grabbing a spoolie and distributing the product all over the brow. Again, trying to put the least amount of pressure towards the front of the brow. To carve out my brow, I'm using a concealer. I'm putting it towards the front of the brow and on the arch of the brow on top. So once that's blended, I'm grabbing a lighter concealer and using it towards the end of my brow, and it gives a lifted effect to the brow. And to set it all in place, I'm using a brow gel. So I'm going to start prepping my eyes. I'm starting off by applying concealer as a primer in order for the eyeshadow to be more vibrant. So I'm going to be using these three eyeshadows, starting with a packing brush. I'm going to apply that right on the crease. Then I'm going to be grabbing a second packing brush and applying that black shade on my eyelid. It might start to look a little messy, but don't be afraid and continue blending. Once I'm done with the black, I grab the crease shade and blend it. Then I grab the lightest shade of the palette and blend that on top of the crease. Once I'm done blending, I'm grabbing a wipe just to clean off any fallout that comes out. Then grabbing a shimmery black shade and applying that on top of my lid. Then I'm grabbing a black shimmer. If you have black glitter, that would be better, but I did 2 coats of this. Then I'm grabbing the black shade and putting it on the outside of my eye. I'm grabbing some oil for my under eye. It really helps me moisturize after taking my makeup off so much. Then I'm grabbing some concealer and some foundation. I usually use either or, but today, since I was using black eyeshadows, I really wanted a flawless under eye. Then I'm grabbing a powder foundation to add extra coverage under my eye. Then I'm grabbing the same colors I use on the top to put in my under eye and blending as needed. Then I'm going to be applying a white eyeliner to my waterline, then applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes before applying lashes. To brighten my eye, I'm applying a shimmery shade to my inner corner and brow bone. Now this is an extra step, but I'm applying some chunky glitter to my inner corner to make it look a little extra. And with adding those few extra glitters, I'm done with the look. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this video. If you want more, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.